Hi, it's your girl Mimi. Welcome back to my channel for this video. I'm so excited. I got the conspiracy palette. I'm finally filming with it. I am so excited. So today I'm going to do two different looks for you guys. One is going to be more of like a green smoky eye type of look, and then the other one is going to be using all the really bright colors in the palette to do like a sunset kind of ombre-ish look. So without further ado, let's get into it. First, let's talk about this packaging. So like on the outside, it's got like the white and black spiral with the gold conspiracy writing, and then when you take it out of the box, it's just so pretty. Like, oh my god, it's the prettiest palette I own. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's so pretty. And then it has like the clasp to open it, and then like this palette is literally so gorgeous. Like I can't even get enough about it. So I did some practicing with this one, like swatching, stuff like that. A couple things I noticed. One, if you are darker skinned and you want to use the bright colors in the palette, so for instance like the yellows, the pink, the orange and so forth, you're gonna need a white base underneath, because if you don't, it won't really pop up on your skin as much. But all the shimmery, sparkly shades, you will have no problem with whatsoever. The sparkly shades in this are so pigmented, like it is unreal. You do not have to use at all. Like for instance, I'm gonna swatch Sleep Paralysis, and then I'm gonna swatch Spiraling just so you can see. It's literally just like so pigmented, like I can't even handle it. And then like the other two, like this Illuminati, nice play on words by the way, is just so gorgeous. Like I can't. But let's just get to the eyeshadow so I can stop talking about this palette. So the first look that I'm going to do is going to require the white base. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a white base primer. This is the Smoothing Face Primer LA Colors, and I'm just going to take that and put that on my lids, and then I'm going to take a white powder from the James Charles palette just to set that, and then we'll get into the eyeshadows. And now, just to set that, I'm going to take the white from the James Charles palette real quick. Okay, now that that is done, I'm going to open the palette. Okay, sorry, I just, oh my god. And I am going to take a blending brush first. I'm just going to get like a medium-sized one, and I'm going to pick up the color Cheese Dust. It's, oh, and by the way, the imprints that are in this palette, like the little piggy, and oh, they're just so cute. But, so I'm going to take Cheese Dust. You're just going to place that in your crease. And in order to get maximum, like, payoff with the color, I'm going to keep building it up. And then the next color, I'm going to use the same exact brush, but the next color I'm going to pick up is Flaming Hot, and I'm going to put that in the upper or the outer crease area, right above the orange, to put like a deeper red color in that crease to kind of create an ombre effect. Then I'm going to pick up Cheese Dust again and bring that further in to my lid. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a packing brush, something that will pick up the yellow color really well, and I'm going to take the yellow shade Food Videos, which I find so funny, so weird. Why would you call a yellow shade food? Whatever. But I'm going to pick that up on this brush, and I'm going to put that right in what's left over on the white in my eyes. So whenever you're applying this yellow, be mindful that yellows are really hard to work with. So just be very careful in placing it. You're gonna need to pack the color in. Granted, this is a great yellow, but you still wanna pack that in to make sure that you get the optimum color effect. And then you'll just try and blend that into the orange. And soon you'll pick up both the yellow and the orange to mix them together so that they blend into a really nice ombre effect. So now I'm just trying to make that deep purple and that flaming hot mix together so everything is nice and seamless. And then I'm going to take my packing brush again and make sure that my yellow and orange colors are at their brightest capacity, because this is kind of like a sunset theme. So I want to make sure that all the colors are nice and bright and very visible. Then I am going to take a small blending brush and I'm going to take some of the Not a Fat color, the deep purple, and I'm just going to put that in my lower lash line just to create a tiny smoky effect. And what I'm doing with this color is I'm just trying to connect the bottom lash line and the top lash line so that it creates a semi-smoky effect. Just make sure that everything is blended seamlessly. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put winged eyeliner because I love winged eyeliner. So I'm going to do that real quick. I don't need to put on eyelashes or mascara because I already have eyelash extensions, but sometimes, you know, I don't listen to my eyelash text. So if I got like eyeshadow in my eyelashes, which I kind of did, I'm just going to take a little bit of mascara, like barely any, because I'm not trying to mess up my eyelash extensions, okay? Because that's bad. But I'm just going to, don't do this, okay? I just do this. I'm just going to take a little bit just to coat them so that they're black. And then that is the finished eyeshadow look. Well, the first one anyway. I just took off the last makeup look so we can go into our second one. The second one, as I said before, is going to be kind of more like a greeny tone. Something I need to mention, while I was taking off my makeup, the red and the orange stained slightly, so I had to put foundation over my eyes again so I could have a clean, even base. So the first color we are going to grab is the color Spiraling. It's like a dark gray shimmery color. The only thing I would have to say about this palette that bothers me a little is for darker skin tones, they don't really have blendable like crease colors that are matte, and that's something that kind of bothers me for a little bit. But what I'm going to do with this color is I'm going to take that and I'm just going to put it into the crease. Be careful though, because it's crazy pigmented, so you're gonna do your best and just blend that all the way out. Make sure you get that color nice and blended. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna get a smaller blending brush that's kind of angled like what I have right here, and I'm going to take the color Illuminati. That name is so cute, by the way. So that's like the darker green shade, and you're just gonna blend that into that dark gray color that you just used. And once that is blended, you're gonna get a flat top brush again, and you're going to get the color Conspiracy. I mean, what the whole palette is named. And you're gonna take that and you're gonna put that all over your lid. You're going to put that all over your lid because we're going to blend it with another color later. And now that you have that, you are going to take a smaller blending brush, just like this, and you're going to take the Illuminati again and just try and blend that in with the Conspiracy color. Get that to blend nice and seamlessly. Then I'm going to take this smaller blending brush and I'm going to put it in the color My Rides here. Just a little bit though, because this is very dark. And then I'm just going to put it in my deep crease to bring some dimension back into my eye shape a little bit. I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to take the Illuminati color. And I'm going to put that in my lower lash line all the way down. And then once that is done, I'm going to just take a really tiny brush for the inner corner, and I'm going to take the color Ranch and just put that in the outer corner right here, just to make that little area pop a little bit. And just like that, that look is done. And that is the end of my video. I am so happy that I was able to do this. Let me know down in the comments below which eye look was your favorite. I mean, personally, I like the first one because it's so colorful. But I'm being told by my editor that he likes the second one, but whatever. But anyway... But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments also what else you'd like to see from me. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye!